Again, about food and technology, there's another example that we can make, and it is Cafe X. This is just one example. Of course, there are many around, but this is an example of technology and specifically robotics designed to replace human food service. And when I see actually examples like this, I really wonder if this is where we want to go. I wonder if this is really the future that we want to have. Personally, I hope that these type of things will remain in the future a novelty and something to be found here and there. But I hope that in the future, nothing will ever replace human connection. Because why else are we here? Why are we here in this life, on this planet right now, if not to connect to one another, if not to help one another, interact with one another, smile to one another, maybe when making a cup of coffee or when receiving a cup of coffee.